This Lamborghini owner got cocky and instantly regretted it. While riding, one of the bikers noticed a Lamborghini up ahead. They were hyped to see it, but things didn't go as planned because the driver didn't like it and reacted in a rude way, which clearly irritated the bikers. It got worse when a biker went to overtake and the car shifted left, nearly colliding with it. Once it calmed down, the biker rode past and assumed it was done, but that wasn't the case at all. Just when the bikers believed they'd left him behind, out of nowhere, the driver sped right by them. What he didn't realize was that karma was waiting for him. When he moved in front of a biker and hit the brakes unexpectedly, he ended up causing serious trouble for the biker. When the biker turned back to make sure their friend was fine, Lamborghini was gone. But these bikes weren't going to let that slide.
You good?
Dude, that's a fucking Lamborghini. I'm fucked.
That's his fault. I have it on video.
You have it on video?
Yes.
Yes! It's on video!